Hello traders, I hope you're having a good weekend. I would like to summarize our trading for the past week and our current trading situation. So it's gonna be very easy, I already have the folders ready. If you watched my video before, you know what was happening already. So we entered in our group and I myself was entering trades and shorts from these areas. You know, I got like multiple scalps here, but in the end the area became day trade, and in the end it became swing. We can explain this. You see, that was the last entry here was based on swing failure pattern after this big trade from 3.6% from session naked point of control. You entered as a swing trader, you place stop loss behind the high, and you enjoyed move to the downside. So very good area. You know, it was the last area before the highs to be taken, so it was just, you know, no brainer. And also we had the range here. Yes, this was our range here. This was our range here. So for Bitcoin, in order for the Bitcoin to push to the highs, was very key to not lose this range. It happened, we lost the range. So as you lost the range and you have short from the total top, yeah, it actually become day trade. Yes, it become day trade. The only way of strength for the Bitcoin would be return above 43,200 or 300 back into the range, back above the POG. You could then rotate range again and go for the highs, but it didn't happen. You know, you just got out of the range and you never returned. So you can be patient in your short. Also, what I've seen on YouTube and so on, a lot of people went long here based on YouTubers and gurus. That's how you not trade. You are looking for shorts when they are given more, and you can trade the range until the range breaks. Range broken, buy. YouTubers went big longs here, full of YouTube, and they just end up in big losses. You know, I will show you on Hyblock how many people are trapped actually in longs in this move. So we have nice short here running, and now you will apply your auction market theory knowledge. What you need for this is also I'll show you here, because I was posting in a group. If we search swing at 44,500, I was booking profit. Let me show you. Yep, here we are. So I said I closed 44k, like most of my swing, because swing was running from 35,000. So I closed most of my swing and left just 15% in case we break up. Yeah, you can see it here. And my thinking behind this was this: we had the long-term market structure here. Long-term market structures are built from especially mine are like 1 year old and more. This one is running from February or March 2021. You see, yet again we returned here. So based on statistics, you know, in my eyes, it is very good take profit area, and you know, I know I am in a high market structure, like a long-term market structure zone, and market turned again, so it's crazy. And now also we had this big range here. Yeah, right now we can do this pull. So we have massive range here for the past, from the 8th of January we are in this big range, and we are at the VAH of that range. So in my eyes, that's why we were ranging also here. A lot of people were distributing and taking profit from the VAH and on top of the range. We need to remember we are trading war times, which is very emotional times, and actually it can remind roller coaster. So it can be one. Why not continue this range? Yeah, that was my idea to why to book profit on my swing. Why not do this? Why? We can continue to do this until war is resolved, or you know, it's just a lot of fundamental news were coming. Like also the accelerated move was on news, more bad news coming from the war in Ukraine and atomic power plant. So yes, you know, you just need to take profit and run in this crazy volatility. Oh yeah, and one more thing. So because we can explain this. So as you lost the top of the range, it became day trade, and as a day trader you will be taking profit here at the point of control of this massive range. Yeah, 42k, this high volume node is great take profit. So day trader booked very good profit here, and swing trader as well, it was take profit too. Now day trader left some percents left, but also swing trader, and I will show you, because we, like higher time frame traders, were looking for this. Yeah, for auction market scenario where you actually hold point of control and bounce, but it never happened. Yeah, we actually got a retest here on the point of control and continued down. So it was your warning sign, and this candle, you know, just yeah, this scenario is not valid anymore. So what you are doing right now, after you lost this 42k, it became swing for you, and the swing trade take profit area for me already is hit here, because we are entering into high volume node. We didn't yet entered into like this main zone here, and we have very close val here on the you know, on the bigger time frame. Its val is very close. For me, this was a great take profit area for this from this swing. Right now I enjoyed 2 or 3 take profits and leaving last part of the swing in case we rotate the range fully to the lows here, like even beyond the val of this. So for these lows or for these lows, I will be looking for the sign of strength to close fully and actually load up another swing, yeah, but long. Yeah, and the move here was it's just crazy, you know. It was like 14% from the top. So swing trading is great to do swing trading along with your day trading, because it takes a lot less time, and 10% move just on 10,000 position can make you $1,000. So you know, and stop loss is very tight there, because they enter as day trader or scalper. Like stop loss was 100, so you actually get the reward ratio 10-1. That's how you build your account, yeah, with trades like this. This trade can make made you 5 times more, like for 5 bad trades, yeah. And you need patience, because people take profit too fast, yeah. On swing trader you must take patience. I don't even look at swing account until I reach my target, so I'm not I don't feel temptation to take profit early, because I see some money, and then that's how we do it, yeah. All right. So this was our swing trade here. And if we go over because we had some long setups on the way down, I will show you which one. Most of them played out. And they were scalps mainly, because in this region you are thinking about day trade, but the reaction is pretty bad at the moment. Longs were done, so I was not trading. You see the levels I had here. I was not trading as we lost this range. Nothing here, because it was just liquidity. Also, I deleted some levels because we are closing some single prints and so on. But yeah, the trade was like simple here. This was a very good trade. I actually took from 0.38 to bounce, you know. Session naked point of control was very close. We entered into market structure zone and high volume node here. So it was a very nice scalp here. Then we started to going under the important trend line, and in this area we had like 3 trades in a row. You see, they were all like swing failure patterns as well. Session naked pop giving you bounce, small high volume node, monthly pivot was stopped, giving you nice bounce. All these trades, this is 15-minute time frame, very good. This was like over 1.5%. But finally one more deep down into another high volume node. It was another continuation Fibonacci as well, and 0.5 of the big pull. And after this we got breakdown, another breakdown here. So we need to turn on long number 3s areas. I already deleted levels, by the way. I got stopped out at this area, you know. Yes, so I am wrong sometimes as well. It's normal. Just had to accept losses. So under yeah, I think 39,600 VL levels, I already deleted them because I'm already trading this. You can check it in the history because I was providing it. Also, we at this zone we had additional confluence from order flow. In this place you had a lot of shorts, and you see it's like white area. I was already showing you that in a previous video. I was actually charting it live for the group how I found this. So you had a lot of shorts and they were like scattered, so they offered us big bounce here. We had another level here, but this time was single short here at one level. He gave small bounce, but it was nothing special. I like when you have a lot of shorts, yeah, in a longer period of time, and they are scattered, like they are not single candle short, because he can be already out. Yeah, this is giving you much higher chance you actually bounce, because a lot more people were in this place. So they got untrapped, yeah, and boom, up. For this you use Exocharts to find them and search them. It's easy. You need to have a folder for this. One more thing, because we had trades in this area, this was the 60 million breakout long, like he sparked a really big upside on Bybit. So first time, like on the first touch, he was trying to defend this position. We got bounce here, yeah, from other areas, but as you lost his entry with this move here, he got wrecked. So you know, if you trap such a big trader, and a lot of breakout traders on this move to the downside will continue, and now this area is becoming resistance. Yeah, it was all like here and here. Market so weak it doesn't even like it stopped at most immediate market structure. And the current situation is very simple here. We are bouncing from the main zone. If you go to live trade updates, you are seeing what I wrote here. For me, 39,000 to 38,000 is really packed with strong levels area and lot of volume. High probability bounce zone for day trades too. So as we arrived into this region, on 3 accounts, so 2 scalpers, 1 day trader, one scalper, 1 day trader, 1 swing account. All of them I was trying to build some longs from 38,500 around this region, because we hit this is high volume node here, and another strong market structure support is wide line here. We've hit the previous month val here, and also the VAH of the 25 to 27 February range. So we're rejecting this small range here we had before. And lastly, to the dollar, we hit the golden zone 0.61. Why is grade enter here? Because you are protected by naked monthly here. So a lot of naked liquidity is protecting your stop loss, along with daily naked pokes here. So yeah, this is like your stop loss area for you. China pivot here and another high volume node. So if you want to really enter a swing trader, you will place stop loss behind, but I prefer enter as a scalper, because the reaction for now here is not so great. I already took 2 take profits. On this area I was take profit too, yeah. So 2% move, not bad. Already made money for stop loss. Now I just, you know, I will get stopped out, and we get continuation down, or we bounce much further, you know, and we will be looking to shorts, because right now market structure is looking very bad and we trapped so many people. It's just simple, yeah. So you need to know scalp zones, where you get small scalps, you don't need to go higher leverage. And then you need to know your day trade and scalp, and the area where is potential for the bounce much higher, and you can risk a bit more, yes, on your trading. So all good. And now let's go over some metrics, because they are warning us about what is up, what can come. TRDR super useful. TRDR is showing us right now the longs and shorts in order books are pretty much in balance, yeah. It is not a good sign for the longs, because as you are going down, you should see like longs in order books rising, yeah. You need like supporting bands here, like we had before, but nothing like that is happening. There are some reasons for this, which we can go over this. This is one template we use. We see we had some support here, but they got like eaten. You see the order books are drying up for the longs, yeah, no support here, so we can easily go further down. It's you know, the limit orders on market are clever hand in the market, and they know and they see this data, which I will show you. Like a lot of people are trapped, so they expect more downside with this. They don't want to catch this by limit, yeah. They rather enter market or just lower limits. Yeah, so we run multiple templates on TRDR, so this is just nothing here, yeah. Market was trying to support here. We got some bounces here, just but right now not looking good like here, yeah, like before. Yeah, that's what you want to see. And now is very good time to actually scan the order books. Yeah, by the way, I had a red mark here on Binance, like marked here, like this was swing failure pattern, so we didn't return back to the range. It was a warning sign for me not to go long and look for shorts and scalp longs, yeah. This red line can be deleted now. So what we are seeing, what I recommend is definitely use Tradinglite. you are seeing there is a pretty strong selling pressure to the upside and medium term buying orders to the downside. You see there is not so much in between, so that's why we are ranging. Yeah, market has no volume during weekend. You need really big volume to push. Market just ranging. There's just no other option for now. You need to break the walls both ways. And you know, important note, FTX just settled already or something like that, the market in a chart. FTX is heavily bidding from 34,900 to, let me show you, 34,700. Those are pretty decent orders on FTX. Just be aware of FTX is famous for spoofing, so they might not be even real, yeah, but like Binance is a lot more really reliable on this. What we need to do is also check spot market, for example. You will be marking strong spot market orders. We can see 500 Bitcoin at 36k. If you take the wall or you start to eat the wall and you see absorptions and other signs we teach in a group, you can actually scalp it. You know, this is very big order for small market, big volume. 35,400 Bitcoins. 33,500 Bitcoins again. 32,000 crazy 700 Bitcoins. Front round by 200, so 1,000 Bitcoins from 32,300. Big orders. So you'll be aware where is the spot market interest, yes. And on Bitfinex, you know, we had this. Bitfinex are considered the most clever whales in the market. You see how big wall they filled. 30% left. We had massive trades out of this. That was another conference for my 35k long. And it becomes swing, so, and you still have some orders left for this, so they can be filled. And now Hyblock will tell you some pretty interesting data, also based on I will show you open interest. This is also very good analysis. So we see a lot of people, you know, this was our breakout area, like from 38k massive volume came and so on. And you will watch what happened on spot market and on perpetual. So spot market was okay, it was longing, but it was not nothing crazy. Like we see it was led, like this major move was led more by perpetuals. Yes. Right now, where we are standing right now, the spot market is already like balanced out. It's breakout open interest volume almost. Yeah, it's almost back. Yeah, it's actually back. Yeah. So spot market is pretty neutral right now, but who is actually in danger are still perpetual markets, which is leverage. So you see, when we compare now the breakout volume, you see how much further we are, because people are still longing actually this, and we will see that on Hyblock. So in my eyes, the danger for the downside is much larger at the moment. You can just start to cascade lower. And Hyblock, use Hyblock for this, where you see precisely what happened. So we have smart capital, the brown line were heavily longing this breakout, which was fine. But you can see they're already out at these positions, they're already out of their breakouts, yeah, and they're already actually, even further down, they closed positions more aggressively. In this range, as I said, YouTubers were screaming to buy, so you see retail coming, look here. I was seeing on Twitter one guy was posting like so many YouTubers post like buy here. So people started, you know, this is retail, yeah, the light blue line. And they got positions already, 100 million longs at this point here. And you see as we are here, they added up to, it is showing you here, so they added to 69. So 160 million longs arrive from the retail. They are longing the deep, and especially here as we start to break down, they consider this good opportunity. Look here, the long and short ratio skyrocketed here. It's also like a lot of shorts closed, yeah, but the longs are now in danger on the market. Like they can be squeezed, yeah. You just need to always know who can be squeezed. From this point, the ratio is like 67 to 32. You can then watch another ratios. You can learn in the group like top traders, what are top traders doing and so on. But it's just helping you to analyze market. So right now, in my eyes, I would like to see a continuation to the downside, even when we have the strong levels below us. But massive like liquidation candle would be really welcomed to take all these people out, because now a lot of people are truly trapped. And as will be, if you get any kind of pullback, you will be looking on this region based on Exocharts, orderflow, and so on to get nice short, yeah, and technical levels as well. But yeah, it's just these data are super useful. And as a scalpers, you know, this was our bound 0.61. I still want to like maybe get swing failure pattern of this low into our naked monthly and these two very tasty naked point of controls, 0.66 pips. So one more trade out of this area. If it's lost, if we lost 38k, you know, based on the data we have, and a lot of people are trapped here, and you see a lot of breakout traders. That's the thing, because you know, if you zoom out on Bitcoin, that's what happened even before. These pumps are always very dangerous, because you can lose them as fast or even faster than you actually cause the pump. Because all these breakout people will be trapped, because people are greedy, they do not take profit often. You still have people holding. As you start to go below this, all these people who are breaking out from in these candles, they will have stop loss under this low. So you will have those people. Then you have the fresh people who are actually longing and getting absorbed by market makers. So you have trapped longs, you have late longs and greedy longs from here, and you have clever short traders who are actually pushing market down. So this low is gonna be almost like certain you will take out there. Put stop losses under, and it can actually cascade with liquidation cascades and stop losses hit, you know, to this low as well. Why not? Because we can then rotate the range fully again, and you can see liquidity from Hyblock, like exactly what happened here. We have this marked. Yeah, liquidity marked here. There's not so much liquidity here yet. It was like scattered. So yeah, that's the situation on the market. I got good longs from area which I planned, and now it's up to market how big pullback we get, or we just continue to the downside. But yeah, it's positioned. Market is positioned for the downside based on these trap people. But we will see. You as a trader, for you, it's important to just build safe long positions in your areas and take those profits, and then you can be stopped out and still be in profit. And Bitcoin gets cheaper, it gets lower, then it's got to give you better opportunity to take trade. It's just not hard. Yes, so that's it from me. I will do another video on Monday probably, or Tuesday, when I finish my charting. And now weekend, so enjoy weekend and spend it with your family and friends. If you trade all week, you just need to refresh your mind and do not. On weekend, I usually set alerts, especially at the lows or at the top of in the areas where I want to take short. You don't need to trade this job. I wish you a good trading week, and also this was not financial advice, just education and entertainment. So see you around in the group, and if you join us, you will learn how to trade properly. All this you can. So yeah, see you later, guys. Bye.